Did you know that soil stores more than 3 times as much carbon as all the world's forests combined? In the fight against climate change, the solution might lie beneath our feet. Welcome to Downforce Technologies, your trusted partner for soil carbon monitoring. Our digital platform automates the complex science of carbon sequestration, soil system dynamics, and land management. Discover your soil's carbon content with Downforce's cutting-edge technology. Our patented method calculates your property's soil organic carbon stocks from 2017 to today, eliminating the need for costly and destructive soil sampling. Beyond uncovering past carbon stocks, Downforce offers future additional soil carbon storage maps. Our unique land classification system evaluates future carbon storage potential for every 10-meter pixel of your property, helping you maximize your land's potential without the guesswork. Our system delivers ISO and greenhouse gas protocol compliant insights, which can integrate seamlessly into your portfolio management systems, carbon projects, and sustainability reports. Use Downforce Technologies to manage your carbon initiatives and enjoy data-driven, low-risk returns. Or report your net zero status with ISO certified statements. Verified and certified net zero statements are increasingly vital for farming businesses, property owners, and agri-food companies wanting to substantiate their sustainability efforts, comply with regulation, and align with consumer expectations. Finally, our land management planning tool lets you strategically plan your next harvest with SOC in mind. By increasing SOC, you can boost soil health and reduce the need for expensive inputs. For data that gives you a competitive edge, choose Downforce Technologies.